Hello guys, welcome to another exciting YouTube video, and today I will be doing a Sony Acid based video, and I will be showing you how to get familiar with the user interface of Sony Acid Pro 7. And as you checked, if you have not installed Sony Acid Pro 7, I have a tutorial where it shows you how to install the software and crack it. No much further ado, let us start with the video. And as you can see, I was working on a project over here. It's a Afrobeat mixtape, and don't worry about this. I will be showing you how to use the software. I will be creating a playlist whereby I'll be showing you the basics of audio mixing, that is transitioning, bit mapping, adding effects, and so on so forth. And let us start with the video now. I'll create a new project. To create a new project, you just press Ctrl N. You'll see a dialog box that will prompt you to put the details or metadata of your project. As for me, I will leave it blank, but you can put anything you want here. This is the title, the artist, which is you, the DJ, and so on and so forth. So you press on OK. It will give you a blank project like this. There is no audio tracks over here, but I'll be showing you how to add them. Now, first thing first, let us be familiar with this top banner over here. Now, the file one is whereby you can create a new project. As you can see over here, you can say Control New. So to create a new project, you can open an existing one if you had one. You can save over here, and the shortcut, as you can see, it's over here. Control S to open is Control O, and to create a new project is Control N. And you can render as or you can go in the properties over here. You can add those properties that I've told you. Now, the other thing you must be keen on is these tools over here. There is the pencil one. This is the default mode that we'll be using. We'll be using the pencil, so make sure that it's highlighted. Another one is the rubber tool over here. We'll be using the rubber to make some cuts in our audio, and yes, basically those are the most important things that we'll be using mostly. So this over here, we won't interact with them most of the time. And as you can see over here, there is the undo and there is the redo. So if you want to redo, to undo to the previous steps, you can click over here, Control Z. If you are familiar with the word processing softwares like Microsoft Word, the commands are pretty similar over here. So there is the redo, Control Shift, and there is the save. You can save here, or the shortcut Control S. Now let us add some audio tracks. So you can to add an audio track, you just press Control and Q, just like that. Control plus Q, it will add this audio track. This is what we are calling an audio track over here. As you can see here, there is the numbering. This is the if we add another audio track, let's say Control Q again, you can see number 2. So this is the numbering. This is the bass volume. By default it's minus 6.0 dB. We will talk about volume much later. And this is the track effects, so don't mind about this. I'm showing you the tools that you'll be using mostly in this software for mixing. So if I skip some features over here, just know they are not important, and you will be not using them most of the time. I'll be highlighting the most important ones. So this is the volume and the track effects, and this over here is to mute. If you want to mute this audio track, you can click on mute over there. Now by default, as you can see, it comes with a volume of minus 6.0 dB, which is not advisable. So it should be of volume 0.0 dB, positive, not negative. So if you want to set the volume to 0.0 dB, you just double click just like that, it will be 0.0 dB. Over here the same thing, you just double click, it comes 0.0 dB, as you can see over here. Now I'll be showing you how to another trick is to how to add tracks over here. Now it's quite simple, you can drag and drop. So for example, I can go to my desktop and locate some music. So over here I can open my, for example, this one over here. I can drag, just drag, then drop over there, just like that. You have added your audio track. Don't worry, I'll be showing you how to set the audios with some specific settings, for example like bit mapping. As you can see, by default Sony Acid comes with a BPM of 120 for all tracks, so you have to BPM. And another crucial thing I haven't shown you is this over here. This is the project tempo. So if you want to add the BPM for the whole project, you can add this. Will act as the base tempo for your project. Now another thing I would like to show you is over here. You'll see there is the window over here. So you can also drag and drop from here. So you can take a track like this and drop it over there. So there is multiple way you can access the tracks inside your Sony Acid. So as you can see, there is the file system over here, the Windows file system. So if you know where you've put your tracks, you can locate them over here. So it will enable you to access your tracks inside the Sony Acid instead of going outside and drag and drop. So the choice is yours. And I guess that is pretty much the basics of this UI. So I wanted you to get familiar with this user interface over here. So as we progress on, so in the next video we'll go advancing more, and I'll be showing you how to BPM a track. And subscribe and turn the notification bell on for the next video. Thank you for watching this one.